How does a car accident injury claim work when my own insurance is handling vehicle repairs but the other driver was at fault? Your own insurance can handle the vehicle repairs while you still pursue an injury claim against the at-fault driver or that driver's insurance company. These are usually related, but separate, parts of the accident claim. Your insurance may pay for repairs first because you have collision coverage, and that can be the faster way to get the car inspected, repaired, or declared a total loss. Later, your insurer may seek reimbursement from the at-fault driver's insurer. That does not mean your injury claim is over. The injury claim focuses on fault, causation, and damages. In plain English, who caused the crash, whether the crash caused or worsened your injuries, and what losses you can prove. That proof may include medical records, bills, wage records, work restrictions, photos, witness information, and the crash report. Medical documentation is especially important. If some symptoms were not fully evaluated at the hospital, report them clearly to your medical providers and follow their instructions. Insurance adjusters usually give more weight to what appears in medical records than to a later verbal explanation. Lost work and light duty should also be documented with provider notes, employer records, pay stubs, and time records. In North Carolina, fault rules can be strict because contributory negligence may be raised as a defense. The insurer may ask about your speed, lookout, distractions, and whether you had time to react. Finally, be careful with releases and recorded statements. A property damage payment should not automatically settle your injury claim, but a broadly worded release could create problems. Before signing anything from the at-fault driver's insurer, make sure it does not waive your bodily injury claim.